This is sorcery. You guys see that?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. This is my third final episode of my little mini series, and today I will be showing you guys how to blend your eyeshadows and how to complete the entire makeup look. If you have not seen part 1 and part 2, I would suggest that you go ahead and click on those videos and then come back to watch this one. This is a 3-part series where I am doing makeup one-on-one and sharing some of my knowledge with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Thank you again for watching. Full list of the products used will be listed in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye. Hey guys, so welcome back to my last video for this series. Now we're going to go in and do the eyeshadow. Our eyelids is already prepped, our skin is already done, and today I want to do a look using my Jackie Aina ABH Jackie Aina palette. Let me bring you guys in a little bit so you guys could see how I blend my eyeshadow. Anywho, this is what the colors look like in this palette. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Edges. Let's do Edges today. I'm gonna try to use about 3, maybe 4 colors for the most. Let's do Edges. We're gonna lay edges in our transition area. So your transition area is, okay, this is my bone here, the socket. And that's right in here where you see this kind of a line. That's where I'm gonna lay my transition color. You want to blend the colors into each other. You could go in circular motions, windshield wiper motions, and you want to pick up a little bit of color at a time and blend. If you have hooded eyes, it's okay to lift and blend. That's all okay. Whatever works for you. And you want to use a brush like this. This is a blending brush, and it gives a soft airbrush finish. You see how it's buffing out into the skin. So you want to keep picking up a little at a time until you build the intensity, the vibrancy of the color that you want. Transition colors are normally not super bright. And I'm taking it straight to my nose bridge, my transition color. I'm bringing it all the way into my nose bridge. I'm blending it upwards here. See that? Nicely blended. So now that our transition color is laid, I'm going to keep using my same brush. Wipe it off just a little bit. I always have a towel in front of me, so I'm just going to wipe it off just a little bit, and I'm going to go in with, let's go with Credit today. We're going to use Credit, this reddish brown shade here. We're going to use that in the crease to add some depth to that area. And this will be your crease right here. You see what the brow bone is? We're going back in there, but this outer V area, it's gonna bring some dimension to your eye look. Just gonna place it there, color place. You see that already? You're just gonna add some depth, some drama to that area, and you wanna blend in a circular motion. And it's gonna fade into that transition area, into that transition color that we laid earlier. You don't have much blending to do now because the transition area is blended out. So it's just about color placement right now. You could keep applying color to how intense you want it. See that? How it looks airbrushed. How it fades from the dark into the first transition color, that airbrush look. That's what we're looking for. A smooth blend, a smooth transition in colors. It's time consuming, I'm not gonna lie, it is, but it's totally worth it. I'm gonna go in with my glitter base by NYX. It makes applying the foil or the glitter eyeshadow so much easier. It looks vibrant and you don't have to keep packing it on, to be honest. I think it does the work for you. So I'm just gonna put like about that amount on both eyes, and I'm gonna blend it out on the lid. Just gonna tap just in the area, the rest of the lid, that we're gonna apply that foiled eyeshadow from the palette. Let's go with Zam today. I'm gonna use this one here. It's a kind of rose gold, kind of something. I don't know. Let's see what it does. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. We're gonna apply this to the rest of the lid. Oh, that's so pretty. And you just stop in this exactly where the darker shadow meets. I'm gonna also flip my brush over like this just to get it close to my lash line. It's just a little thing I like to do, because you know when you look at somebody and they're wearing eyeshadow, you see that gap of the skin right there and the lash line. It doesn't look right. I hate it. So I like to flip my brush upside down just to get it as close to my lash line as possible.
See, this is why I like doing my eyes first. That's why. So I can clean this mess up with a makeup wipe.
And today I'm gonna try, I've never used this blush. Hopefully I like it. I see a lot of rave about this Fenty cream blush in the shade Rosé Latte. BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she's gorgeous actually. Ooh. You want to blend it into that bronzer slash contour that we laid. And I like to curve it up by the end of my brow. That's just my little signature. So you apply it on the cheek and you bring it up. For some of you who's still into highlighting, I'm just going to go in with my MAC. This is an oldie but goodie, Whisper of Guilt. I'm just going to use this, use my finger, my ring finger, tip on my nose. Ooh, ooh, that's bright. I forgot how pigmented this was. And a little bit just in the bridge of my nose. Just know where it shines, you know, and just blend it out with your finger. You don't want it too bright. I'm just going to use some on the high points of my cheekbones, not too much. She will blind you. So next we're gonna add some lashes. We're gonna bump up this lip. For my bottom lashes, I'm gonna use the IT Superhero mascara. I like this. It's kind of thick and it makes my eyelashes look nice and thick. So just gonna add this on the bottom lashes while I decide what lashes I'm gonna wear for my upper lashes. Today I'm going to use for my upper lash the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. And I picked up these lashes from my local beauty supply store. Looks like this. It's super fluffy, it's mink lashes, and I think it was so cute. So, we're going to try these today. Pray I like it. I don't like the big tarantula lashes that some of y'all like to wear. If that's the look you're going for, do you, boo? It ain't for me. I bought this Kiss lash line thingy. What is it? Lash glue and liner in one. We're gonna try this and experiment with this today. I've heard a lot of good raves about this on social media. Let's see. Let's see how she works. I be damn. The hell? This is sorcery. This is sorcery. You guys see that? So look how lashes changes the look. It enhances your look. It just takes the look up to that next level. Can you see the before and after? Look at that. Take my finger and pinch my lash with the fake lashes, so when I turn to the side, you can see that separation. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place lip liner, Luxe liner in the shade KOLA. It's like this. It's a neutral brown. It's a dark brown. Now I'm gonna use my finger and kind of blend it out. Oh, it looks so harsh. Huda Beauty's creamy lipstick in the shade Buttercup. I think this is one of their new releases. It's a kind of neutral, your lip but better color. Just gonna use this in the center. Oh, this is gorgeous. I like using a little brush like this, a little blending brush, just to feather out the edges, to blend it in. I love that ombre look. I'm going to use my Morphe Satin First Spray just to set everything. So what the satin spray does, it takes away the cakiness from all those different powders and stuff that we have on our skin. So it makes the skin look more like skin, and it sets everything in place, and your makeup lasts longer. This is beautiful. I'm in love with this look. I had no idea where I was going with this look when I pulled out that palette. I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to use some basic colors in there and see what I come up with. And boom, look at this. This is serving. This is fire. I love this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little series of mine. I hope to do more of this, videos like this for you guys in the future. Look out for my next video. Talk to you guys soon. Love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Bye guys.